Hey friends out there in YouTube land, of course you know me, Robert Hamm here. Today I'm actually to share with you something. A couple of days ago, maybe a week or so ago, I posted a video about the Fotodiox Visilux ND filter, ND throttle, which it's a really long name. Anyways, it's an adapter that allows you to use old legacy glass, which is still great in its own right, on modern mirrorless camera bodies. I just did a little quick video about what it was, and so Fotodiox actually wrote a comment to me and asked me if I'd like to review something else that they make. So I said, yes, absolutely. They sent this to me to review for them. If I want to keep it, I get to buy it from them at a discounted price. If I don't want to keep it, I got to pay to ship it back to them. So this right now is a precursor to whether or not I will keep it or won't keep it. I will definitely let you know. So we've just opened it up right there, and this is what we get. Okay, a box inside of a box. That's great. On the back it just says color flare for what camera it is, that the camera system that I'm using. And let's actually open it up for you. You'll get to see it. It's a cardboard box. It opens up like this. Let's hope nothing falls out. Looks like it's got foam at the top and the bottom. And here is our color flare kit. Let's move on over to the table and look at this a little bit closer. All right, friends, here we go. Let's check out what this color flare kit is. First of all, we've got some plug holes. That's what it looks like. I don't know exactly what these are, but we'll check them out. Coming on over here, I got something that doesn't want to come out as easily, so let's grab it. Okay. And this is the actual adapter. So this is what adapts, and it looks like it's got a flare on it already, which is pretty nice. So this is a color. Okay, so let's just separate that red. Looks like we've got a red. We've got a green. That's cool. Red and green. Hey, this is shaping up to be a pretty cool kit, guys. I gotta tell you. This is a yellow, purple. Now you might think, why do you want purple? Well, think about neon lights and stuff like that. You know, nighttime, I can see a lot of cool uses with this, with that. And then blue. So it looks like we got the primary colors plus purple. Red, green, blue, yellow, and purple. So that's kind of neat. So those are the actual little lens color flare colors. And so that's neat. Let's show you how this works. Here is the adapter. Okay, notice the adapter is actually translucent. You can kind of see my finger in there. That's going to allow light inside of the obscura, the area between the back of the lens and the sensor in this instance. And so that's what that is. And this is the install ring. Let me show you how that works. We'll just, heck, let's do it. Let's take this off so you can see how it would fit. Here is my Sony camera, just like that. Maybe you can see a little better now. We can go ahead and take the red dot, line it up with the white dot, put it on. Now it's clicked on. At this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and take this lens that I've got right here off of the Visilux. Okay. Now the old FD lenses had a lock, which they got rid of, but it makes it a little more difficult to take them on and off. Because of that locking ring, we need to go ahead and line this up with install. Okay, see how it says install right there? Now that we've done that, we can take our red dot, put them together, like you see right there, and this will twist. Okay, so let's check that out. Okay, so there we go. Now we've got color that's coming into here, and we should see quite a few light leaks as soon as we let it in. And you guys may not be able to see, but I do see quite a few light leaks. You can see them right there. And you can kind of see how everything's getting darker and brighter. Now, I'm inside my house right now, so this isn't really the very best example, but that's what's happening. And then, let's say you wanted to go ahead and change up the color. You'd be able to do that by grabbing one of these guys. Okay, and you would put this over here. Now we've got a color. Okay, well, there's one more step, though. And this is the first time getting my hands on with this, so I like it pretty good. Let's do that already. Okay, so now we've got a color right here, which is kind of neat. Let's turn this back on and just see if we've got any of that color kind of coming in. Honestly, it's hard to tell right now because of, oh yeah, I can see. You might not be able to see, but I can see. Okay, anyway, so that's what that does. Okay, now that that's done, we've got some bands. Now this is where things get cool. You get this set of bands right here. And I gotta check this out. I'm excited about this. And they have different slits cut in them so that you can have a couple of them on different lenses. And then they got some of these slits or bands that have no slits in them, so you can make your own slits. And that is so that you can introduce a light leak effect. So you put the band on here, and now you're in a situation where you are allowing light leaks to come in a certain way, you know, or you're hiding them. And so you can also go ahead and use like a little pin light or a little laser light and kind of shine that little high-powered flashlight right there, which will also encourage lens flares from the camera itself, which is pretty neat. The only thing I can say from the start right now is I got to look a little harder to find the little red dot so I'll know how to get this back on, but there we go. That's the ticket. And that's pretty cool. These will twist. They twist nicely. And yeah, so now we've got light leaks that can come in or not come in. So I cannot wait to check this out with you guys and let you know what I think. But here's just the unboxing and what it does. I have not shot with this yet, but I look forward to doing that. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. There's something that's coming up in the next week. I've got this for 30 days before I decide if I want to keep it or send it back. Let me know what you think, and we'll go on from there. All right, bye for now.